Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. Today I am filming a day in the life because a lot of you have been asking for one of these lately. I have not done one in like a month. It's been a while. And we have a special day today because it is father-daughter dance night for Gracie June and Chance. So Chance is going to be taking Gracie June to the father-daughter dance. So then me and Caycen are going on a little mommy-son date as well. He wanted to go to the bowling alley, so that's what we're going to be doing tonight. We couldn't skip our pizza night, so he had the idea to order in pizza, eat it at home, and then go by Dairy Queen to get ice cream and then go bowling. So that's kind of what we have on our agenda for today. And then Chance and Gracie June, they're going with a bunch of other daddies and their daughters to go eat pizza at the pizza place, and then they're gonna go to the father-daughter dance afterwards. So I'm gonna get him to take a few little clips, video clips and stuff that I can put in here as well so you can see all of that. But I bought her a dress the other day. I ended up getting it at Target just because we'd gone to several places and she found one dress that she absolutely loved at Target, so I figured I would go ahead and get that for her. But we didn't have any shoes for her to wear because every time we get new shoes for her, she always gets like the scuff marks at the end of the toe. So she had a few different pairs of sandals that would have been perfect for it, but they were all scuffed up at the end. And then she got these new glittery gold shoes probably about a month ago now, but they were all scuffed up at the end too. So I'm gonna go today and I'm trying to go find some shoes for her to go with her dress, and I'm also gonna look and see what kind of spring clothes they have for them. Caycen has completely outgrown like all of his clothes from the fall that were warmer weather clothes, so a lot of his shorts are super tight, and then he really likes like all the athletic stuff, so I'm gonna be looking for some of that. I'm gonna go to the outlets in Pooler and maybe even go into like the Under Armour store. That's like his favorite, but they have the Under Armour outlet, which makes it a little bit cheaper. And of course I'm going to be looking for Gracie June some shoes. So I figured today would be a good day to take you guys with me and show you a little day in the life. The kids are at school. It's almost lunchtime by the time I'm actually picking up the camera, just because I had so much other stuff to do this morning. Y'all know my morning routine. I had to get all that stuff done. And then now I'm finally able to get out the door. So I really don't have much time to shop, but I'm gonna try to get it done. So I hope you enjoy this video. Y'all make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also say hey in the comments. Let me know what you guys are up to today. I love hearing from you and having conversation with you guys down there in the comments, and I would love to hear what you guys have going on.
La 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 la.
So I am in line to get the kiddos from school. I got a few things. I didn't really get many clothes, but I'll show you guys what I got once we get back home. I got Caycen a few things from Under Armour, and I wish I would have gotten more, but I didn't realize they were all on sale. I thought it was just like the shirts, but the shorts are on sale too, so I'm gonna have to go back, but I did need him to try them on to make sure that they're the right size anyways. And then I didn't get Gracie June any clothes. They had a lot of really cute stuff at Oshkosh and Carter's, but I think I'm gonna shop online because I feel like I can always find better deals online, and I can see how much I'm spending in my cart. Y'all know I am an online shopper through and through. I would rather do that every single day than go shopping in person. So anyways, I'm about to get the kids and I'll show you guys what I got when we get back home. All right, so this is one of the Under Armour outfits. The shorts and the shirts were like $11.99 each. What do you think? He was so excited. Oh gosh, don't do that. He was so excited to get his Under Armour. All right, I'm gonna show him the other one. Boo! Are you excited about our date tonight?
We're going to the bowling alley.
Yeah.
Ow, ow.
Cooper's hitting you. All right, these are the other two pieces that I got. So this was just a gray Under Armour, and then these blue shorts with, it's like an orange little Under Armour symbol, and then it's on the side too. I ended up getting him a youth medium in both of these. The shirt that he has on is a youth small, but I accidentally did that. I think the youth small fits him a little bit better, but it'll be fine. He'll be able to wear these for a while. And then Gracie June shoes. I ended up getting these at Oshkosh, both of them. It was buy one, get one free, which these were $38. These would have been like $34. So pretty much I got those for free, and I paid $38 for both pairs of shoes. These are for the father-daughter dance, and we tried them on already. They're super cute. And then they actually match her dress, which you'll see in a little bit. And these are perfect for spring and summer. So I thought that was a good find. And then I ended up getting me some stuff from Old Navy, and I'll show you what I got. All right, so I got these two shirts. I got a white and black basic shirts. They're just tank tops, and they say they were $16.99, but they were on sale. Sorry, I had to pull out my receipt. They were on sale for pretty much $10 each. And then I'll show you the other stuff. All right, so I got this pink. It's like a light pink V-neck, and it's just a regular, it's not focusing. Just a regular, like, casual, everyday top that I can wear. It was also on sale for $10. You guys know me, I'm pretty casual and always dress that way, so I was excited about that. I forgot I did end up getting this one for Gracie June. This was only $6, and it says raise each other up. And then I got 3 pairs of jeans. They're all size 6s. That's what size I wear. And they were all of them were half off. I think they were originally $38 each, but they were all half off, I think. All right, I just looked at the receipt, and they were not half off. I don't know, maybe I only ended up getting like $5 off of each of them. So these ones, I really liked the ends. So that's what they look like. And then I got some white ones. They're distressed on the end as well. And then they do have a little bit of distressing like on the knee right here. But I needed some new white ones. So I'm going to get rid of the white ones in my closet. And then I think these are my favorite. They're all ankle length, and they're the skinny Rockstar. But I really like the frayed ends on this one. And yeah, so I got all 3 of those. They were all about the same price. I think they were like $35. Maybe I got $5 off of each of them. But I love these on. They're so comfy. They're all the skinny, super skinny Rockstar style. And they're all ankle length, size 6, just for reference. All right, so we're about to paint her little fingernails. We're gonna paint her toenails and fingernails, and we've got this pretty pink color that will go with her dress. Are you excited to start getting ready? We gotta clean you up. You're a mess from school. think of your makeup? Aw, you look beautiful. Are y'all ready? Gracie Jr., are you ready for the dance?
I gotta present her rose. Yes.
Look at me. Oh my goodness. Did Daddy get you a rose?
A red hair, white skinned girl.
Are you guys ready?
Excited face. Excited face.
Alright, so we just pulled up to Dairy Queen. We decided to go to Dairy Queen because the pizza was going to take too long, and Caycen wanted Dairy Queen anyways for ice cream, so we're here. We're going to go in and eat, and then we are going bowling alley! Yay! Alright, let's go in. So they brought out his Blizzard first, so he hasn't even eaten food yet. What the heck, man? What the heck? Is it good? It's always good, isn't it?
Right there. You're looking at yourself. So are you having fun? We're eating a lot of candy. There's a lot of people here. Alright, over and out. Daddy-daughter dance 19. What?
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sunlight.
Caycen's got to shoot dinosaurs! See the dinosaurs! Hey, show me all the stuff that you got. How many tickets did you end up with total?
155!
Whoop whoop! Alright, let's go. Alright, we are headed home. What time is it? It is 8:34. Daddy and Gracie Jr. are already at home. Did you have fun? Stop smacking that gum. Did you have fun on our date night? Yeah. What was your favorite part? Arcade games, bowling, or Dairy Queen?
Arcade.
Why was that your favorite? Playing the games? Yeah, which game did you like the best?
The race car.
The race car game? We played the race car game twice. That was fun.
Mommy got first place 2 times in a row.
I didn't mean to. I thought you were winning. All right. I had fun with you, bud.
Me too.
Love you.
Oh, you too.
All right, let's go home
some
and see
white?
Daddy and Gracie June. Ah! Did y'all have fun?
I had a blast. Did y'all have fun? Awesome.
Well, Gracie June's asleep. We just got home. All right, so we're about to go to bed. All right, so it's the next day. I was gonna end the vlog last night, but then when I was putting Caycen to bed, I was sitting there, we said our prayers and everything, and I just wanted to get this on camera because I didn't want to forget it. But Caycen was like, Mommy, this was so much fun. I can't wait for our next mommy-son night. And I was like, aw, that was so sweet. It just melted my heart. So we made a plan that every month we're gonna have a date night, a one-on-one date night with each of our kids. So, but we'll do one a month. So just to keep it where it's manageable. So one month we'll have mommy-son night. The next month will be mommy-daughter. So we'll switch off. So whatever night I'm having with Caycen, Chance will take Gracie June and do something, and then we'll switch the next month, if that makes sense. So we're super excited about this. We, every year they've had the father-daughter dance, and then in the spring they'll have a mommy-son or a mother-son baseball game. So we'll definitely have that, but we figured this would be a fun way to just spend some extra one-on-one time with our kids and be able to go out and do something and just be able to chat. And I don't know, it was just so much fun getting that one-on-one time with him, and he's my one that's like super quiet and doesn't talk a lot, so we got to talk about all kinds of stuff. It was just a great bonding experience. So I wanted to make sure to tell y'all about that in case you guys wanted to use that idea. I did share it on my Instagram, but I thought it would be fun to share it on here too in case any of you are not following me over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog now. I'm about to edit it, and hopefully I can get it up tomorrow. Today is Saturday, so hopefully I can get it up either tomorrow or Monday. We'll see. Maybe even Tuesday, I don't know, we'll see. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I know a lot of you always say you want to see more day in the lives, but they don't get as many views, and I do love doing them, but I want to make sure that you guys are liking them too. A lot of them I'm doing just for me because I want to have it for memories, but I also like to know that you guys like seeing this kind of stuff as well. So definitely let me know. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.